U.S. President Donald Trump says that United States will sell F-35 fighter jets to India, joining elite club of countries with state-of-the-art stealth planes. Also, U.S. will be increasing military sales to India by billions of dollars. UK and India have signed a statement of intent to design and develop an integrated full electric propulsion system for India's next-generation landing platform dock fleet. As part of the collaboration, GE Vernova and Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited are working to establish India's first maritime land-based testing facility to support the development of IFEP technology. Ukrainian emergency services have confirmed discovery of Shahed drone debris at the site of Reactor 4 at Chernobyl nuclear power plant. Footage released by Ukraine's State Emergency Service shows the wreckage, including drone's engine alongside visible impact damage from the strike. The United Kingdom has officially introduced Gravehawk air defense system, a newly developed surface-to-air missile system specifically designed to enhance Ukraine's capabilities against aerial threats. The system is equipped with two modified R-73 infrared-guided air-to-air missiles, offering mobility and rapid deployment for frontline air defense operations.